Hey everyone, and welcome to Bengalishop Gadgets. Today, we're taking a look at the Mecha V8 Transparent Speaker, a stylish and portable Bluetooth speaker that offers great sound. The first thing that grabs your attention about the Mecha V8 is its transparent design. It lets you see the components inside the speaker, which looks quite cool. The side of the speaker has important buttons, including the power button, action button, TWS mode button, light control button and next or previous music button. On the bottom of the speaker, you will find a TF card slot. Bluetooth mode does not work when a TF card is inserted. It is in music mode, which means that music is played from a memory card. The Mecha V8 Transparent Speaker has a built-in rechargeable battery with a capacity of 1,800 mAh. This capacity translates to roughly 6 hours of playtime on a single charge, depending on volume level and content played. The RGB has a total of 4 amazing color modes. The glowing G shape soothes with beauty in the dark. The speaker itself is made entirely of plastic, but it feels sturdy in your hand. On the front, there's a metal mesh grille that protects the speakers. The Mecha V8 connects via Bluetooth. I found the Bluetooth connection to be fast and stable. It also has an AUX port, so you can connect wired devices with a cable. Now it's time to check the voice quality. For its size, the Mecha V8 sound output is quite good. It packs a 10-watt speaker, which delivers loud and clear sound. The bass isn't super deep, but it adds to the overall audio experience. The Mecha V8 features LED lights that light up along with the music. It also has a microphone built in, so you can use it as a hands-free speakerphone. This is a pocket-sized speaker, so you can easily carry it around with you. This speaker is a great option if you're looking for a stylish, portable speaker with good sound quality. The transparent design adds a unique touch. Thanks for watching my review. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And also you have the option to purchase it from our page at a very affordable price. If you see it on Facebook, like the page, and if you see it on YouTube, subscribe and stay with us.